What do you mean?
He's going to be opening that. That's the mystery one. We got one, two, three, four. And that one's going to be his fifth one.
Today we're going to open a speed cube. My very first speed cube.
Yeah, but I'm going to try it out first, then him.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. I'll take that. Thank you.
Blue.
Oh,
Haley.
it's flexible. Me and Logan can solve a Rubik's Cube. See, I can solve it.
Bigger than my other 2x2. By a little bit. See? It's bigger.
It is.
I'm not very...
Look, I solved it!
Wow. Oops.
There's also close to... I love it. Ah!
So how many do you have total?
5.
5 so far?
Yep. Going inside your eyes. This is more flexible.
And droppable?
This is more flexible than the other one.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
I solved it. Yay. Now I'm going to solve this one.
Logan,
What?
say bye.
Bye.
I want to try it out.
Hannah.
I'm gonna
Alright,
try to
say
solve
bye,
this.
guys.
Sponsored by GameCube. I think this is Game.
It's not really.
Is it Game? Can't tell.
I don't know. I can't read the writing.
But you push it,